All right, now let's say you switch the focal length, you have it set to aluminum. Easy way to just go in, make sure the machine is set. You turned it on, not sure what to do, just go to expert mode here. You get all these fancy settings. You have wobble width, laser power, and wobble frequency. Wobble width controls a mirror inside the gun that oscillates back and forth. That mirror is what creates the weave, so that you don't actually have to weave with the gun. It's just a straight line for you, but the gun itself and the laser is weaving, creating a good strong weld. And then you have right here laser power. Laser power is how strong that laser is and how far in it will penetrate. The machine I have in front of me right now is the MA1 which is 6.5 millimeters, which is about, or I guess a little over, a quarter of an inch. So if you're struggling with figuring out, how strong is the laser, how compared to how thick the metal is, like what do I do, how do I adjust it? Just think of it as 100% laser power is full penetration, which would get you a quarter of an inch in. And if you were to go to 50%, you would get half that penetration. If you go to 25, you would get a quarter of that penetration. And then right here, you have wobble frequency. Wobble frequency is the speed at which the mirror oscillates. I have never had to change this. I always leave it at 60 Hertz. And then once you get that machine, or the settings on the machine set up, all you have to do is make sure that the wire feed is on, the laser button is on, and then the laser enable is on. Now this one right here, this is the gas manual. This will turn the gas on and have it flowing without you having to pull the trigger, without you welding, it'll just be flowing. So I've never used it for anything in a welding process. What I usually use it for is just to check to make sure that my gas pressure is correct on the regulator, which gas pressure should be between 35 and 40. Outside of that, that is all that you need to know. Thank you.